Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I just wanted to bring you a quick little video. This is just a little tip, a little how-to video. I know a lot of people are having trouble opening these acetone bottles here, or this can. Check it out. It says, what did it say? Press to close, to open, pry off. So you're looking at that, you're thinking, okay, do I have to pry that off with something? Let's see here. I got my pliers here. I'm gonna give that a shot. And the reason why I'm making this video, guys, is because I've gotten a lot of comments on one of my other videos. Go ahead and check it out. It's the one where I'm removing tar using acetone. That's a cool video too. Cool, helpful tip, you know. But yeah, check it out, guys. So if you're coming at it with your pliers here, let me put this down for a second. Try to get a good shot there. I'm trying to hold it. See that fucker will come off. So that's not how you open it. All you got to do, guys, very, very simple. Get you a nice little flathead. Stick it in this little thing right here. And there it is. Pop. Let me do that again for you guys just so you can see. Real easy, real simple. You don't have to fight with it. You don't have to mess with it. Check it out, guys. There it is. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys this little video just to try to help someone out there. If they're having trouble trying to open up your acetone, that's how you do it, guys. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.